In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize animations and effects on chess.com for a cleaner, faster playing experience. Start by opening chess.com in your browser and look to the bottom left corner of any page. Click the small cogwheel icon to open Settings, then choose All Settings. This takes you to the main preferences area where you can change how the site looks and feels while you play. You'll most likely land on the board and pieces screen automatically. If you're not there, just make sure you're on the board and pieces section, since that's where the visual options live. This page controls everything from piece styles to how moves are displayed, so it's the perfect place to streamline the board. Scroll down until you see either board effects or piece animations. The exact label can vary slightly depending on updates, but you're in the right spot when you see options related to movement and visual effects. First, look for the toggle labeled Pre-Post Game Board Animation. Turn this off if you want to eliminate the start and end game effects, like board entrance or exit animations. Disabling this keeps things snappy, which is especially helpful if you prefer minimal distractions or you're playing a lot of quick games. Next, find the Piece Animations dropdown. Here you can choose how pieces move. None slow, medium, fast, or arcade. None makes pieces jump instantly from square to square with no sliding, which many players prefer for blitz or bullet. Slow emphasizes movement so you can clearly follow the path. Medium is a balanced default that feels smooth without wasting time. Fast speeds things up while keeping a bit of motion. Arcade adds a playful, bouncy style that some find fun and easy to read. Pick the speed that matches your comfort and your device's performance. Finally, look for a checkbox such as Enable Special Themes or Win Celebration. If you want to avoid confetti or celebratory animations after a win, uncheck this option. Turning it off keeps the board clean, which can be great for staying focused, recording videos, or saving a little battery on mobile devices. Most changes apply immediately, so you can open a casual game or the analysis board to see how it feels. If anything seems too fast or too plain, come back and fine-tune the settings until the board looks just right for you. Reducing effects can improve performance on older hardware, while keeping a bit of animation can make move tracking smoother. That's it, quick, clean, and customizable. Enjoy your games with a board that moves at your pace.